Welcome to the best picks. The best Almay Eyebrow Pencil is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly tools in any makeup bag, designed to help you achieve perfectly defined brows with minimal effort, whether you're aiming for a natural, subtle enhancement or a bold, statement look. This affordable yet effective product has garnered a loyal following for its ability to mimic natural hair strokes, fill in sparse areas seamlessly, and stay put throughout the day without smudging or fading, making it an indispensable item for anyone looking to elevate their brow game. Number 5. E.L.F Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Achieve perfectly shaped, defined, and filled brows with our dual-sided pencil. It helps create a natural, polished look, making your brows appear fuller and more detailed. This pencil allows for precise lines and beautifully contoured brows. Get a polished look that lasts for hours. Simply use the spool brush to comb your brows into place. Then, use the fine tip to fill them in with small, precise strokes. We believe beauty shines from within. Our products are designed to enhance your natural beauty, offering quality cosmetics for everyone. Feel good about your beauty choices. This product is 100% vegan and certified cruelty-free by both Leaping Bunny and PETA. What we like. This dual-sided pencil is perfect for shaping, defining, and filling your brows with precision. Its long-lasting formula ensures your look stays put for hours. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one tool to create polished, fuller-looking brows that last, this is a great choice. What people say. The tip is small enough to do little hair-like strokes or just shade things in where you need it. The texture is perfect too. Not too creamy, but it still glides on easily. The spoolie on the other end is great for brushing everything out so everything looks soft and natural. The color looks natural and flattering, and it truly lasts all day without fading. The dual-sided design with the spoolie brush is incredibly convenient for shaping and blending. The application is smooth and allows for a natural, buildable look that lasts all day. Number 4. Julep Cosmetic Makeup Pencil Sharpener. Achieve a precise point for your eyeliner, lip liner, or eyebrow pencils with this essential makeup tool. Its German-made steel ensures a clean, sharp edge for flawless application. This universal sharpener works with both wood and plastic pencils, making it incredibly versatile. No matter your preferred makeup pencil, it will be perfectly sharpened. Take your sharpener anywhere with its compact and travel-friendly design. It fits easily into any makeup bag or purse for on-the-go touch-ups. Maintenance is a breeze with this easy-to-clean sharpener. Simply empty the shavings and it's ready for its next use, keeping your makeup routine efficient. Experience the superior quality of German-made steel. This sharpener is built to last, providing consistent performance for all your cosmetic pencil needs. What we like. This sharpener is designed to work with a variety of pencils, including eyeliners, lip liners, and eyebrow pencils. Its compact and travel-friendly design makes it easy to carry anywhere. If you need a reliable and easy-to-clean sharpener for all your wooden and plastic pencils, this German-made option is ideal. What people say. They are easy to sharpen, which I like. I like a very sharp point, and they go on easily, but they are not so soft that they don't apply precisely. They are the perfect mix of soft-hard. This formula glides on so easily, and once it dries, it doesn't move. Smudge resistant, blendable, and has always stayed put, even after a day out on a motorcycle. Number 3. Laura Geller New York Kajal Eyeliner Pencil. Discover the ultimate eyeliner experience with the Laura Geller New York Kajal Longwear Kohl Eyeliner Pencil. This exceptional formula glides on smoothly for effortless application. Achieve a flawless look with its incredibly smooth and blendable texture. You can easily create any style you desire, from subtle definition to a dramatic smoky eye. Enjoy makeup that stays put all day long. This eyeliner is designed for extended wear, ensuring your look remains impeccable from morning to night. Formulated with caffeine, it not only enhances your eyes but also provides a refreshing feel. Experience the unique benefits of this innovative ingredient. Perfect for adding depth and definition, the dark brown shade complements all skin tones. It delivers intense color payoff for a captivating gaze. This is more than just an eyeliner, it's your new essential for creating stunning eye looks. Elevate your makeup routine with this versatile and high-performing pencil. What we like. Infused with caffeine, this pencil delivers a smooth and blendable application for a rich, kohl-defined look. It offers long-lasting wear without smudging. If you desire a deeply pigmented, easily blendable eyeliner that stays put all day, this is the perfect pick for creating intense eye looks. What people say. The color stays as is, no smudges, the texture is soft and smooth, it applies easily, and in my situation, I don't need a sharp point because I use it as eyeshadow, not as a liner, so it's great as a round tip. It lasts all day, but you see a bit on the crease. It wash fast with CeraVe cleanser. I'm 55 and like a highly pigmented, smooth eyeliner. This is perfect for me. It glides on easily, no starts and stops from dryness. This alone is a game changer for most eyeliners on mature skin, IYKYK. Also, it has staying power and is not quick to transfer. Note that the shape of the pencil means that it does great with a thick line. That's what I'm going for. Finally, a creamy pencil that can cover my eyelid for the smoky look without being too waxy. It actually goes on as dark as I want. I use a tip to blend where needed. Got the denim charcoal. I am 78. Number 2. LAVONE Waterproof Eyebrow and Eyeliner Makeup Kit. Achieve flawless brows in seconds with our innovative eyebrow stamp and pencil. This all-in-one kit makes shaping and filling your brows incredibly easy. Enjoy long-lasting, waterproof wear that stays put all day. Our formula resists smudging, ensuring your look remains impeccable from morning to night. Complete your look with the included eyeliner for added definition. Create precise lines that enhance your eyes beautifully. The dual-ended brush ensures seamless application and blending. Achieve professional-looking results with ease, whether you're filling or shaping. This rich dark brown shade is perfect for a natural yet defined look. It complements a variety of hair colors and skin tones. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for perfect brows and defined eyes. It's your go-to solution for a polished makeup look. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a waterproof brow pencil, pomade, and even an eyebrow stamp for quick, symmetrical application. It also comes with a dual-ended brush for blending and taming. If you're seeking a foolproof way to achieve perfectly shaped and filled brows quickly, especially with the aid of a stamp, this kit is designed for you. What people say. It lasts all day without needing to retouch, at least in my experience. You only need the tiniest amount, it dries quickly, and it stays in place all day. It definitely sticks well to the skin. Easy to apply, color accurate, great eyebrow kit. Easy to use and stays on. Number 1. Julep Brow 101 Sculpting Pencil and Tinted Brow Gel Set. Introducing the Brow 101 Sculpting Pencil and Tinted Brow Gel Set. Achieve perfectly defined and tinted brows with this dual-ended tool. It features a brush on one end and a precision tip on the other. This allows for effortless shaping and filling of your eyebrows. Enjoy smudge-proof wear throughout the day. The waterproof formula ensures your brows stay in place, no matter what. The pencil provides precise definition, while the tinted gel adds color and hold. Get salon-quality brows at home. This shade is specifically designed for blonde hair. It offers a natural-looking enhancement for a polished finish. What we like. This dual-ended tool features a precision tip pencil for sculpting and a tinted brow gel for long-lasting hold and color. Its waterproof formula ensures your brows stay perfectly defined and tinted all day. If you want to effortlessly sculpt, define, and add natural-looking color to your brows with a single product, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's long-wearing and good quality. Taupe is the perfect universal color and blends perfectly with my brows. The gel is great for hiding a few gray strands and keeping my brows in place. It will last a while, there is a lot of product and it doesn't rub off easily. The brow gel sets nicely and I am impressed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.